So back at Computex in May of this year, we saw this, a limited edition Doom the Dark Ages graphics card, more specifically the ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5080 Doom Edition. That's a mouthful. But as you can see, it's finally here. So today we're going to unbox it, we're going to throw it in this lovely Doom the Dark Ages themed PC that me and Nay put together, and of course, see how it performs. Now, I should probably mention, this GPU is only purchasable as part of a bundle. It's $2,000, and there's only 666 of them. You do get some extra goodies in the bundle, which I don't have right here, but there's a t-shirt, an oversized mousepad, a yellow keycard replica, and a copy of the game with an exclusive skin. Now, I'll admit, Nay is much better at unboxing things than me, so I'm going to let her do it. I'll be back later. In the meantime, enjoy the unboxing.
Welcome to our humble abode, aka our YouTube studio. We're here today to unbox this beautiful GPU. And before we can do that, I have to get into character, okay? Do you see I have my little demon plushie here from Doom, looking cute, setting the vibe, right? But we also have one more thing, okay? I have with me my shield saw that I picked up at an event that we went to recently, and I saw a kid wearing it across his chest. So I thought that would be the perfect opportunity to wear it in this video. What do we think? This thing is so freaking cute. I love it. Alrighty, let's get into it. So this is the ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5080 from Asus, the Doom the Dark Ages theme, and let's take a moment to appreciate the beautiful art on the front of the box. I've got my handy dandy knife here, and we will go ahead and crack this baby open. Oh, I am so excited to see this card. Okay, are we ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it looks so nice. That is a heavy card, wow. I haven't really seen it fully yet, so we're gonna do this together, okay? All right, I'm gonna pull this off in the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Is it going to be as beautiful as I think? Oh, it is, wow. Look at the gold on that. Oh, it is so pretty. Look at the back. Wow, out of every card that I have in my collection, I might have to get this one. I might have to get this one. This is gorgeous. Let me give you a closer look of this card. It is absolutely stunning. Wow, I love the green and the gold. Such a good color combination. And like the details on the fan, what? All right, and then look at the back of that. Look at, there's even details on the side of it. I match with the fan. On the bottom, it's a shield saw. We matched today. Now that we've opened it up, we've seen what it looks like. I really want to put it inside the Doom theme PC that we built. I think it's gonna look awesome. And I also want to get Josh's first reaction to seeing it in person. Isn't that nice?
Yeah, that's awesome. That's a nice paint job.
That's what I said. I was like, the gold and the green.
Gold looks sick.
Okay, so I told them that we were gonna put it in the Doom PC so we can see it.
Yes, I think it will look sick. I mean, that's the perfect build.
It is. Let's go grab it. Here we go. I'm so proud of this PC. It was so cool. All right, so take a look at this PC we built. So we printed a 3D demon skull to go on top. Really cool. And then I also had the idea to add little horns on the side like this, which I thought was so cute. Right. Okay, but that's not it. Then I also had this idea to take chains and hang ram skulls from the bottom of them to give like that extra Doom scary vibe, like this. Like, look how cute it is. That's not even it. I'm really proud of this. If you open the inside of this case, like this, we also have an Astral GPU in there that we had to paint ourselves, but if you take a look on the side cam here, we also added custom Doom the Dark Ages decals to the front of the case, to the motherboard. I painted the AIO red, and then we also 3D printed some skulls and the Doom symbols to go on the fan shrouds. And honestly, I feel like this is the perfect build for this GPU. All right, there is our beautiful GPU. I did not realize that we used the same image on the front of our case as the back of the GPU. That is perfect. All right, very gentle. There's not a lot of room in this case. Oh, there we go, nice fit. Plug her in. Move our PC onto our spinny table and take a look at it with the new card. Look at that, it is so cool. Well, we need to turn it on. Let's turn it on, hold on. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the Doom fan shrouds and the skull. How sick is that? I like how the fan looks like it's a glowing eye inside of the skull. I thought that was really cool. I love that you can see the art on the back of the GPU when it's in the case like this, and the fact that it also matches the decal that we put on the front is awesome.
Right, let's see how this thing performs. So I've booted up Doom the Dark Ages, we're running here at 4K, and I've literally maxed out all of the settings. We have everything turned on, we got path tracing turned on. First thing we're gonna do is go to where it says upscaler right here, and we're gonna activate NVIDIA DLSS 4, and we'll set this to performance because this is a 4K monitor. We have a lot of pixels to play with for the upscaler, and if we apply these settings and we now back out to the game, you'll see we have got a very nice FPS boost. Now what this is actually doing is rendering the game at a lower resolution and then using AI to upscale it back up to the monitor's native resolution. However, we can take things a step further. So back in the settings, under where we just activated our upscaler right here, we're going to turn on DLSS frame generation and we'll set it to 4x. Now what this is going to do is basically use AI to create 3 frames to insert between every real frame. Check out the results. Let's apply this. So same exact scene, and we are now hitting almost 180 FPS. It's almost like magic. Obviously our monitor's refresh rate is 165, so we're maxing that out. And all of this tech is being powered by the Tensor cores inside that graphics card right there. Now, despite this obviously being very impressive, I think visually speaking, if you did a blind test, you'd be hard pressed to tell the difference other than this just feeling way smoother. All right, so there we have it. Definitely one of the cooler limited edition GPUs I think we've seen in a while. Let us know what you guys think of it down below in the comments. I think me and Nate might have to pick one of these up for ourselves. Unfortunately, this was just a loaner. We've got to send it back, but shout out to Asus and Nvidia for letting us check it out. If any of you want to pick one up for yourselves, we'll leave the link down below in the description. With that being said, drop a like rating on this video if you enjoyed, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and we'll catch you all in the next one.